Hello cuties, I'm back! I'm so glad to be back with you this week. I've been absent. I was very sick. I had bronchitis, and at the same time it was my daughter's birthday the same week I got sick, so I needed to recover and get well so I can have a very nice birthday with her. She turns 6. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy for her. But yeah, that's what happened. That's why I was kind of MIA, but I'm here. I'm feeling much better. I had also ear infection, and that still kind of bothers me, but I'm good. So yes, today I will be planning, like you see in my Hobonichi wigs, this kit is a printable kit, and I am linking the shop down below on my description. I love how it looks. It has those fall colors, and I love that everything that I need for my spread, this kit has it. So yeah, now I'm cutting a little bit those stickers. It's not because it is wrong, something wrong with them. It's just because I want them to be inside the frame that I always do. So yeah, that's what I did. How you been? If you are just stopping by, thank you so much. I hope you consider to subscribe, and if you're not, if you are a new subscriber or just returning, thank you so much for being here. I'm so excited to have you in my channel. I'm just putting the date covers, the bottom washi, and on the right side of the page I track the weather. But this video I was filming while I was getting better during those days, so I couldn't have the weather so advanced, so that's why I didn't ended up doing it. But if you want to see how it looks my spread, you can follow me on my personal account. It is Cutatosis Plans. It is linked down below as well. At the same time, I have my shop account. I am a sticker shop owner, and I have everything down below linked for you, just in case you want to follow me. I'm putting this weekend banner over there. I think it looks adorable. I love the bear that I put at the top of the page. This is a sticker book that I had. I'm also linking the shop down below. I love it because I can take all of my leftovers and put it in one book, so I don't have a lot of pages. When we tend to get a lot of kits and things like that is not in a sticker book, we just get a lot of pages with leftover stickers, right? So this sticker book is amazing. I love it, so I totally recommend it. Check her link down below. Now I'm starting to put some boxes over there at the left side of the page, but then you will see me struggling a little bit because I want them to have like cohesive look. And then I started to put some squares boxes and round corner boxes, and you know, I tried to make them look the best I could. So that's why I moved the full boxes to the left side, and then I just focus on boxes on the right side. So yeah, my daughter turns 6. We went to Dave & Buster's, and the family, my aunt and her family, visit us from New York, and my son and his girlfriend was there. It was a very close event or celebration. It was only family, but she loved it. She had a blast. We enjoyed the time being with her. She got her LOL dolls cake and something for the hair and gifts. Oh my goodness, it was like so nice for her. She received gifts all weekend long. So she was very happy. Now I'm putting some stars that the kit comes with as a checklist. I'm cutting some because I want to have them like 3, 2, 3, 2. Now it's coffee for Monday, and I'm putting some decoration on that side. I'm going to be making their grocery list, and those 3 habit trackers is to track some things. I don't know if you saw my last video. I was mentioning that I'm going to decorate in my Hobonichi until the end of November, and in December I'm moving to my Printspression planner, so I'm very excited about that. I have some exercise or workout stickers, trash and laundry. I'm hoping that I can feel better next week or this week just to start my doing my workouts. I don't know if I can make it because I still getting out of breath sometimes, but yeah, let's see if I can do it. That is why I'm pre-planning, like you said, those exercises for the week. Now I'm putting like this long checklist for the groceries because I'm starting to get ready for Thanksgiving. I can't believe that it's almost Thanksgiving. Oh my goodness. Do you cook your turkeys? I've been cooking my turkeys for the past 5 years, and let me tell you, it is so delicious. I'm taking my characters from my shop. That's Jolene, that's the cleaning, and I put it the wrong day. Instead of Sunday, it was supposed to be on Saturday. Now I'm taking Itzia, she's holding a taco, and I'm putting that on Tuesday because this Tuesday is Taco Tuesday. My camera cut out, but the only thing I did was putting Annabelle on Thursday just to mark down my daughter's ballet, and that's my spread, cuties. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.